Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Geamen Foldable Wagon with extended tailgate. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: lightweight and easy storage. Geamen Folding Wagon, only 11 pounds, unfolded size, 36.2 x 37 x 16.5 inch, folded size 27 x 16.5 x 6 inch, and the cart is designed with a quick release folding mechanism, allowing you to fold it down to a compact size in seconds. This makes it easy to store in small spaces like under a bed or in a closet. Unique design and more capacity. Geamen Wagon unique tailgate design maximizes the cart's capacity to 120 liters and ensures excellent load-bearing capabilities, making it ideal for transporting heavy items with ease. High-quality materials. Geamen Collapsible Wagon Carts is made of high-quality alloy steel and designed with structural mechanics to carry more weight, with removable 600D Oxford canvas is waterproof. Easy to clean and durable. The dynamic load capacity is 220 pounds, and the static load capacity is 350 pounds. This folding wagon is equipped with 4 all-terrain wheels, including 2 360 degrees rotating front wheels, suitable for a variety of road surfaces, retractable handle, easy to install and dismantle. Wide-use utility wagon. This lightweight utility wagon is easy to use and can be easily picked up by the elderly or the young, perfect for shopping, gardening, picnicking, camping, outdoor, or sports equipment handling and other activities. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.